If you're encountering an invalid credentials error on Relay Financial, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Verify your login information. Double-check your username and password to ensure they are entered correctly. Pay attention to case sensitivity and any special characters. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Check for account lockup. After multiple failed login attempts, your account may be temporarily locked. Wait a few minutes before trying again, or contact customer support if the issue persists. Step 5. Update your browser or app. Ensure you are using the latest version of your web browser or the Relay Financial app. Outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the invalid credentials error and regain access to your Relay Financial account. If problems continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.